What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video, I'm going to give you an update about the TFVPM, how the project is doing so far. Okay, so if you come over here to fund order, you can see my report. So this is what's been happening in the past, 5, 6, 7 days. I don't know. I lost count. But my initial was 500 USDT, and right now the total amount is 543. And my stake, I decided to stake for 7 days because sometimes I just forget about this project. I just let it roll. So instead of just come over here and stake whenever I remember, I decided to stake for 7 days. So those 7 days, I will earn a little bit more, but I'm not going to be able to touch the funds for those 7 days. Okay, so my last stake was on the 16th of July. Okay, last Sunday, and it's going to be unlocked on July next Sunday. Okay, 23rd of July next Sunday. Okay, at this time right here, 8:25 a.m. Okay, so far from this stake right here, I've earned 18.9258. Okay, so if you come over here to income details, we can see the past history. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days. Okay, so I've been rolling with the project 8 days. Okay, so I've been rolling. So this is my eighth day. Well, probably my last stake. This is my eighth stake, but I've been rolling with the project probably about 2 weeks. So my first stake was on the 8th. So today's the 19th. So 11 days. Okay, so I've been with the project for 11 days, and so far so good. As you can see right here, it's doing what it's supposed to do. Right? Cool. Right. And if you come over here, discovery, over here is where you can find the plans. Okay, so this is 1 day, 3 days, 5 days. The plan that I decided to go with, I think, is this one right here, 7 days. No, it's the next one. So this one is 5 days. So the one that I'm rolling with is this one right here, 7 days. Okay, so in 7 days, so the expected income is going to be 10% from my investment. Okay, the minimum investment is $20, and the period is 7 days, etc. Okay, and the last one is 15 days. Okay, so 15 days. So an extra, probably I should have gone for this one because for the extra 5 days, you know it's a big difference. It's the double, right? So this one right here, is it 15 days? Yeah, I should have gone for this one. I should have gone for this one because it's a big difference, right? So for the sake of extra 5 days, you might as well go ahead and do this one. Okay, so I could have done that one. My bad. Probably gonna do it on the next run. Okay, so over here is fixed term, so there is no auto compounding. Over here is where the magic happens. Okay, obviously you will earn more, but you will stake for a longer period of time. You can earn up to 2.8% daily, or compounding, etc. You can earn up to 336%. But in order to do that, the cycle is 120 days. Okay, so you will have to stake for 120 days, which is 4 months. Okay, but so far so good. The project is doing what it's supposed to do. So all is good. Okay, guys. Again, so if you decided to join this project, right? So you can test it out, test it for 1 day, 2 days, whatever. Okay, so if you decided to join the project, okay, every Sunday there will be giveaways for team players. Okay, team players, they will have to have active stakes. Okay, and the active stake has to be greater than 100 USDT. So right now I've got two team members, okay, but they're just looking for the giveaway because they're not staking anything. So you can see 0 USDT. Okay, so that means they're not playing the game, right? So in order for you to earn the giveaway, you gotta play the game. Otherwise, what's the point giving the giveaway if you're not playing by the rules? Okay, so that's that. So all over here, you can find all the information that you need. And also we got the community right here where they constantly posting information about the project and updates and etc. Okay, so if you are interested in this project, okay, you can test it out and you can take your money out whenever, well, once the plan expires, okay, no problem. And you can see for yourself how it goes. Okay, so far my experience has been good. Okay, so my stake, where is it? My stake is going to expire um on the 23rd. So on the 23rd, I'm gonna show you a live withdrawal, how to show you how it works, okay? Because you know, it's very important to be able to withdraw the funds. Otherwise, what's the point joining this project, right? So next Sunday, I will be doing a live withdrawal in regards to this project, okay, guys? And I said it, next video would be a withdrawal, but you know, I decided to give you an update halfway through the week. Today is Wednesday, just to let you know the project's still up and running and still doing its thing. Okay, so report, what's on the report? So over here we got the weekly reports. Okay, I'm not really sure what this is all about. Okay, it's talking about trades, etc. Okay, guys, as you can see right here, everything is over here, and you can see by the day, weekly, or monthly. Okay, and over here, I don't really know what this is. My focus. But whatever. Okay, guys, so far, so good. And that being said, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. All the links going to be down in the description. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.